So, hi guys! Hello everybody! Punta tayo sa beach na naman for today's video. We're doing exercise. Yan, naglalakad tayo sa highway. Kalalabas ko lang ng bahay namin. So, time check. 5 PM. So, the sun is still there. It's very hot actually. 5 PM but it's hot. So ayan yung road na dinadaanan ko. Ito yung street ng bahay namin. Malayo pang lalakarin natin. 5 minutes pa yung lalakarin natin bago tayo makarating dun sa beach, dun sa may walking talaga. So grabe siya kainit, no? It's 5 but it's still hot. Grabe.